Hi and welcome to Co-op Academy Stoke Virtual Fairtrade Bake Off. I'm Shay and the Co-op Young Leaders are organising our first ever virtual bake off.
All you have to do is bake your own Fairtrade cake or cakes anytime from Wednesday the 3rd of March until Friday the 5th of March.
You can use one of our recipes or you can decide to use one of your recipes, but remember to use as many relevant Fairtrade products as possible.
All you have to do to enter is take a photo of your cake, as we can only judge on the appearance. Don't forget, when you do take your photo of the cake, make sure it's just the cake and nothing else, please.
Entries must be sent to elizabeth.garrity@coopacademies.co.uk.
We will judge by 1st, 2nd and 3rd place, and our competition winners will be informed by Monday the 8th of March.
I'll hand over to Olivia now, who will demonstrate our bake-off here in the Academy.
Hi, I'm Olivia at CYL and today we are making Fairtrade Cappuccino Cupcakes and these are the ingredients. Butter, Fairtrade sugar, coffee, eggs, powdered milk, flour, cocoa powder, icing sugar and normal sugar.
On your marks, get set, bake!
So our first step is to heat the oven to 180 degrees and get a tray with 12 cupcake cases on.
On your marks, get set, bake!
Our second step now is to add 2 teaspoons of coffee and 1 tablespoon of, a bit more than 1 tablespoon of hot water.
On your marks, get set, bake!
Third step, we will need 175 grams of unsalted butter and 175 grams of caster sugar. And then we cream them together.
Get set, bake!
For the next step, we add the light and fluffy butter and sugar mixture. We then add 75 grams of self-raising flour and 3 eggs into 1 bowl. And now we try and whisk this.
On your marks, get set, bake!
Now for step 5, we need 100 grams of flour and 2 tablespoons of semi-skimmed milk, and we add that into the mixture. Now what we do is we add 2 tablespoons of semi-skimmed milk to the mixture and do 1 mix.
On your marks, get set, bake!
What we do is we spoon our mixture into 12 cupcake cases and put in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until a knife comes out clean.
On your marks, get set, bake!
Now what we do is we pop the 2 trays into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until the knife comes out clean. Oh god, there's this one. Let's just have a quick look in the oven to see how they are doing. We are now going to do the knife test, so we just put the knife in, pull it out, and there's nothing on the knife, so it means that they are done, and we can move on to icing them.
On your marks, get set, bake!
For the icing, we add 100 grams of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of coffee in 1 tablespoon of hot water, and 150 grams of icing sugar. That stands up. Perfect icing.
Marks, get set, bake!
So now that they're out, the left side are cool and the right side are cooling, we get our icing and we just spread it on really. This bit. Get a bit more. Yeah. And then to finalise them off, we sprinkle them with a bit of cocoa powder. And there we go. The first one is done. And there we go. Fairtrade Cappuccino Cupcakes done.
Sheer perfection, and I enjoyed every minute.